Welcome to a unique episode of our channel where we tackle the unexpected with a touch of humor and practicality. In today's video, we dive into the intriguing scenario of leading a band during a power outage. Yes, you heard it right. We'll explore the challenges and hilarity that ensue when conducting in the dark. While this may seem like a far-fetched situation, being prepared for the unexpected is key for any band director. Join us as we share real tips and tricks that can come in handy when the lights go out, all while keeping the music playing and the spirits high. Let's embrace the darkness and lead the band like never before. Step 1. Prepare your band. In the event of a power outage, the first step is to ensure your band is prepared for the unexpected. Communicate with your musicians beforehand about the possibility of conducting in the dark. Encourage them to familiarize themselves with their music and instruments to minimize reliance on visual cues. Emphasize the importance of listening closely to each other and following your cues confidently. Step 2. Establish non-visual communication. When the lights go out, it's crucial to establish alternative means of communication with your band. Consider using verbal cues, such as counting in or calling out sections to guide the performance. Encourage your musicians to rely on their ears and instincts, fostering a deeper connection within the ensemble. Practice these non-visual communication methods during rehearsals to ensure smooth coordination during a power outage. Step 3. Utilize hand signals. In the absence of visual cues, hand signals can be a valuable tool for maintaining synchronization within the band. Develop a set of clear and concise hand signals to indicate tempo changes, dynamics, and other musical nuances. Practice these signals with your band members to ensure everyone understands their meanings and can respond promptly during a performance. Step 4. Embrace the unexpected. During a power outage, unexpected challenges may arise, but it's essential to stay calm and adaptable. Encourage your band to embrace the unique experience and find humor in the situation. Remember that music is a universal language that transcends visual cues. And with teamwork and creativity, you can lead a memorable performance even in the dark. Stay positive, keep the energy high, and enjoy the adventure of conducting in the dark. Step 5. Foster trust and unity. Building trust and unity within your band is crucial when conducting in the dark. Encourage open communication, mutual support, and a sense of camaraderie among band members. Remind everyone that teamwork and trust in each other's abilities are essential for successful performance, especially in challenging circumstances like a power outage. Step 6. Reflect and learn. After navigating the experience of conducting in the dark, take time to reflect with your band. Discuss what went well, what could be improved, and any memorable moments from the performance. Use this opportunity to learn from the experience, strengthen your band's resilience, and bond over overcoming unexpected obstacles together. Embrace the lessons learned and carry them forward into future rehearsals and performances. As we wrap up our journey into the world of conducting in the dark, we hope you've gained valuable insights and had a few laughs along the way. From preparing your band to embracing the unexpected, we've explored the challenges and joys of leading a band during a power outage. remember the importance of communication, adaptability, and teamwork in overcoming unexpected obstacles. Whether you're a seasoned band director or a music enthusiast looking for a fun challenge, conducting in the dark offers a unique experience that can strengthen bonds and enhance musical performances. We encourage you to try these tips with your own band and share your experiences with us. Keep the music playing, even in the dark.